we have a 2020 C8 Corvette. This is one of the sickest specs I've ever seen. It's getting an XPEL paint protection film track package. It's going to have self-healing capabilities and properties so it doesn't get rock chips, road debris on and off the track. Check it out. So if you love your car, I would recommend getting XPEL paint protection film and window tint to protect it. If you have any questions, give me a call and I'll be happy to help you. Talk to you soon.